Looking elegant, classy, and good doesn't necessarily mean you have to break the bank. You can look elegant, you can look good, you can look classy and chic on a budget. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, hello, bonjour, ni hao, assalamu alaikum. And if you are an old subscriber, hi, welcome back to another video. This is MAMA-MYLES space, and on this channel we talk about lifestyle, fashion, beauty. We do a little bit of everything, so just go ahead and subscribe to this channel because definitely there's something for you. So on today's video, we'll be talking about things you don't necessarily need to elevate your outfit. Things you don't necessarily need to make you look good, to make you look stand out, to make you look classy, to make you look chic. If you're interested in this kind of video, keep on watching. Welcome back guys. So as I was saying, today we'll be talking about things you don't necessarily need to make you look elegant. And without wasting so much of your time, we are going to begin with the first one, which are designers clothes. You don't necessarily need a designer clothes to make you look elegant. You don't necessarily need a designer's outfit to elevate your look. What you need is how to style those outfits that you have based on your style, based on your body shape, and based on your personal fit. So you don't need a designer's outfit to make you look elegant. Obviously, designer's outfit can make you look good, can make you look classy, but it doesn't guarantee that you wearing a designer's outfit would actually make you look good. Some designer's clothes will not make you look elegant, will not make you look good. What you need, what is going to make you look elegant is how to style your outfit, how to style this outfit based on your body shape and your body size. This is what is going to help you to look elegant and good. So what you want to put into consideration if you want to look good, if you want to look elegant, you want to look classy, is know your body shape, how to style your personal outfit. And now we're going to move to the next one. The next one we have on our list is you do not need to follow every trend. Not every trend that comes out you need to jump into it, because there are some trends that are not just for you. Not every trend elevates your outfit. Not every trend make you look good. So you need to know what kind of trend are you jumping into. Is this your style? Does this trend fit you? Does it fit your personal style? That's when you need to know if you have to jump into this kind of trend or not. So you want to put that at the back of your mind, or you want to put it into consideration that not every trend you have to jump into. Another aspect of this trend is that they easily fade out, like they go out of fashion faster. It's just a trend, so you don't expect it to stay there for long. So this trend might just come for a very short period of time and it goes out of trend. And so you don't want to quickly jump into every trend that pops up. You need to know your personal style, you need to know what fits for you, you need to know what elevates your outfit, what makes you look good. And now we're going to move to the next one. The next one we have is that you do not need a pair of high heels that are not comfortable to elevate your outfit. I talked before about trends, and there are some certain heels that comes out that are trending, and these heels, you notice they are very uncomfortable. So you will not want to go in for those pair of heels because you want to trend. This will never elevate your outfit. Always choose comfort over aesthetics. So you want to go in for a pair of heels that is very comfortable for you. You want to go in for some heels that walking will become a problem. So you want to choose comfort all the time, especially when it comes to heels. And now we're going to move to the next point, that you do not necessarily need to elevate your outfit. The next point we have is matching outfit. You don't necessarily need matching outfits to elevate your look. For example, matching your bag and your shoes, or matching your bag and your clothes. You don't necessarily need that to elevate your outfit. We are not in 2005. Dress perfectly, dress good, dress based on your body shape and your personal styles, and this is just going to make you look elegant and good. And now we're going to move to the next one, which is always on heavy makeup. Heavy makeup doesn't make you look elegant. I hope you know so. If you didn't know, today you know. Heavy makeup doesn't make you look elegant. Heavy makeup doesn't make you look good. You can just be your natural self, or just a lipstick sometimes can go. Just a lipstick can make you look elegant and good. I'm not against heavy makeups, but it depends on the occasion and how it fits your face. You don't want to go in for heavy makeup that doesn't look good on your face. You want to go in for what fits you best. What fits you best is what you should go in for. And if you're the kind of person that heavy makeup doesn't go with you. You don't have to do that to make you look elegant. And even if you are this person that heavy makeup looks good on you, not every occasion requires heavy makeup, so you need to put that at the back of your mind. Sometimes just a simple lip gloss is perfect for you and makes you look well, elegant, good and chic. So we're going to move to the next one, which is you don't need to spend all your fortune on bags. There are more affordable bags you want to go in for. You can't spend all your fortune because you want to acquire a bag. That doesn't make sense. That doesn't elevate you. That doesn't make you look good. So you want to go in for affordable bags that will still make you look good, that will still match perfectly with your outfit or with your personal styles. Opt for bags that you can afford. Opt for bags that are within your budget, and this is still going to make you look elegant and good. So guys, that is it for this video. Tell me in the comment section, what are you going to add on this list? If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, comment, share the video. So guys, that is it for this video, and see you guys in my next video. Bye.